What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. And in today's video, we're gonna check out this right here, the Sony the Sony SEL11 F1.8. So 11 millimeters for your Sony APS-C camera. And I'm really curious because I recently bought this one right here, the Sony A6500, and I'm looking for a nice wide angle lens. And this one should be good. I know the Sigma 16mm F1.4 is nice and everything, but it's a little bit bulky. And I don't want to have a very bulky setup for this small little camera. So let's switch things up and go to the unboxing setup. All right, let's go. All right, so here we are in the classic orange box of Sony. Not sure why they've done orange at all, actually. All right, here we go. Nothing else. Some manuals. Yeah, we're not gonna check that out. Here it is. It is nice and compact, guys. It is really compact and very lightweight. Oh, that is different. Little, almost looks like a little eye. Yeah. Wow, that is different as well. Okay, all right. So we got a AF/MF switch, a customizable button, and this actually feels pretty nice and sturdy. Really feels lightweight. And I know compared to the Sigma one, it is just a big one. Right, okay. Let's put this to the side. Take the Sony A6500. And let's go. Right. Okay. This looks pretty nice. I like the wide angle view of things. You can see a little bit what I'm seeing. Take the first picture. Okay, all right. Okay, cool. Let's switch things up and see how it looks in video. All right, this right here is now shot on the Sony A6500 with the 11mm F1.8, and I'm shooting it f2.5-ish in shutter priority, and things are looking pretty sweet. I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second, by the way. How does it look? It looks really wide. Like, just to give you like, my hands are like this, and when I go like here, you can still see pretty much a lot of things behind me, and you can see how wide it looks and how distorted my face now is. But anyways, I have to say it looks really impressive. I really like the look out of it. And also here are some photos straight out of camera without no real editing whatsoever. And I have to say, this might be my new YouTube studio setup or whatever. Or maybe just vlog around a little bit. I'm not sure yet. But make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review of course, the Sony A6500 and also this lens, the Sony 11mm F1.8. Anyways, that's it, guys. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck. Handheld on the Sony A6500 and still really close up my face, and still it looks pretty good. Just wondering how it is with the stabilization. Do you see a lot of hand movement shaking and stuff? Don't know. Let's walk a little bit to the other rooms.